Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Another excellent shave for you today. I'm excited. We went as matchy-matchy. I talked about matching up the Artist Club, the feather, with the Starwisp handle from PAA. It's not perfect, but it does go well together, so I'm actually impressed. The soap we're using is Calle Ocho from LatherBros. This is an older base. They don't do these tubs anymore either. Really do like their labels. Whoop. We did scoop. It is a tobacco, papaya, guava scent. I get more of the guava and papaya than the tobacco, but man, it's a great scent. I really enjoy it. So we lathered it up in the old Captain's Choice. We'll see how it goes on. If I want to hydrate it more, you know how it goes. We'll add more water as needed. But we got a pretty good shiny lather. We got a few days worth of growth. Last shave was on camera, so whenever that last video was posted, that's when we shaved last. Vacation's supposed to be going on the last 2 weeks. Hasn't really been going on. Man, this is good. I mean, off the tub, not super strong, but like, I can smell it right now the entire time very well. Especially when you're painting it on, face lathering even, I'm sure. It's excellent. It's a great scent. Of course, we're going with Salty Dog. A little heavier on the vodka this time. Whoa. Yeah, a little heavier on the vodka this time. Open her up, still using SoftGuard. And guys, I'm excited. We got an upgrade. So if anyone's interested, this is the gunmetal stainless steel PAA Ascension Twist with the removable flare tip. I'm going to keep the purple, but this is the original, came with it. I'm going to sell it, guys, because I got the bomb tip in, and I want the bomb tip. I prefer the handle to it, and I have the Metaphor, which has that handle, so I'd rather have the bomb tip, personally. So, that Ascension Twist is going to be up for sale. Let's see if I put it up, maybe Wet Shavers, Enablers, or something. So, it's coming off rather nicely, rather easily. Appears to have good slickness. Which means their new base should be even better, right? I really want to try their Winwood. I need to look into getting that. I think it's at our neighborhood in Miami. I think of Winwood, I think of Steve Winwood, so. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of hair rinsing off. I do love this combo. It's very nice. It does the job. Blade's not menacing. There's like a gentle tug with this blade. Not uncomfortable, but it's not just like shearing them off. If that makes sense to anybody. Slight gentle tug and pull. You dirty bastards. All you people that just had a dirty thought right there. You know you did. You know who you are. See, this is the area. See, and it'll be against the grain when I go down this way. There we go. Oh man. Wow. This There's hair actually built up on the blade, not coming off easily. It's kind of crazy. Never seen that before. All right. Second lather. Again, guys, great scent. I know we don't hear a lot from LatherBros in the community. I don't see a lot of new scents coming out from them. I don't know, they may have done something new recently. I did get their Bro a while back when that came out, and it was their variation of Brute. LatherBros Bro. It's a very nice one. That was a new updated base, and it was actually pretty good, as I recall. Ooh, let's add a little bit more water. That's feeling better now that I added a little bit of hydration, just like going on my face. Feels nice. See, who would have known? It just needed one more addition of water. Oh yeah. That's such a good scent. It's really a good scent, guys. And you know, I'm not into like fruity scents and stuff, so. Oh yeah. That's just a good feeling. And it's mowing it down. Plenty of residual. Very nice. All right. We'll smear out a spot. Sorry, I got quiet, guys. Just focusing on the shave. Really good shave, though. Loving the scent. Very nice. And we got the matching splash. That's what's awesome. It's that damn mole. Which, nice. That mole's slightly raised. Oh. There we go. Slightly raised mole. So it's not really there, but it's just enough that it kind of gets in the way when going over it. It's kind of a pain in the ass, actually. But all in all, feeling like a good shave. No redness so far. Looks to be pretty damn smooth. All right, guys, you know the drill. We're going to rinse up, then we'll be right back. All right, we're back, guys. I just noticed I have been wearing my work underneath shirt. Things happened, didn't make it to work today. Supposed to be on vacation, so it doesn't matter, but yeah, and I was all dressed, ready to go. And I just kept wearing this shirt when I changed into my other pants. Like, you know, civilian pants. All right. Great scent, guys. I will have links below for everything. I'm pretty sure that they still make this. It'll be in a different tub, and it should be in a glass bottle. This is an older one. It's in plastic. So does it have, number one thing I want to know is, do we have alcohol? Okay, alcohol is very far down the list, but we do have alcohol, and we have menthol. So this should be awesome. I've used this a few times before, but you know how you forget, like, can't remember if it burned or what. And I got a feeling it's not going to burn anyways. Oh yeah. Yeah, no real burn. Very nice scent, guys. If you're into that, like, tropical fruit, you know, a little bit of tobacco in there, recommend you pick it up because it is a good scent. I quite enjoy it. And like I said, LatherBros doesn't get a ton of love, but they are quality based. Sorry I didn't look up price, but I know they are not in the expensive realm. So alright guys, like I said, links in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please thumbs up. And thank you for watching this far. Everybody, y'all have a great week.